Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Very hot day, July 24th, 2022. Scorcher today. As you can see, I did jack up the front of the car like I've been saying 1,000 times in the video. Forgive me guys when I do these clips. I actually just film them, do a quick clip, and then I keep repeating myself. Apologies, but y'all get the point. Anyway, just wanted to spend a couple of hours, if that, just to get the front hoses on today. I'm still waiting on the parts from my cousin. Actually, after I get off the phone from recording with you guys, I'm going to call him and see what's the status on that. I just wanted to get some stuff done today. Don't want to waste the day, waste time. Like I said, my goal is to try to drive this before the end of the summer. Summer's still here. August is about to be right around the corner. I want to try to get this done, and I'm very, very close to putting the car back on the ground so I can move it. It's still going to have some work to be done cosmetically. I'm not even talking about paint, stuff interior wise, putting the interior back together, little things like that. But we're inching closer to the finish line, and I'm very, very excited of that. Thank God for that, and giving me the energy and the strength to continue. Right now, even though it's hot, it's nice and cool over on this side. It's not too hot as far as really beaming down on me. So I'm just going to take off the cover, get started, and this is crazy. I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe, I try to look back at old videos, that I put on the new front rotors because I cannot find the box at my parents' house at all. So my assumption is that when I did the front suspension, I put on the front rotors. But as you can see, these new rotors are rusted to all heck. If these are the new ones, which I believe they are. The brake calipers that I painted, as you can see, there's surface rust on it. You know, the weather has done a number on these parts. Anyway, I think that this could come off. Obviously, I didn't use them. Maybe I can just like sand them off or get them resurfaced at an auto parts store, or maybe just see if I can just like put the new pads on them and just run it, and maybe from the braking will like remove it. I don't know, but it sucks. Anyway, I'm about to get started. I'm gonna do this side. For some reason, one of the bolts on the other side is not coming off, so I'm just going to just deal with this side first and try to change this hose. And then, like I said, it's a small thing today, nothing crazy. Just wanted to get something done. I want to keep the progress going. But man, just take a second to admire this car, the lines of this car. Yeah, I don't like the diving board bumpers so much. I get it. I might compress that so it can be tucked in a little bit more. I want to get that little bottom valance joint for that. I'm not sure which one yet, but just look at the car, man. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? I gotta obviously it needs a bath. You know what I'm saying? It's filthy. But man, it just looks so beautiful, man. It looks so gorgeous. Just the lines, man. I'm happy. And then look at those tires. Not the tires, the rims. And I was like, yo, even with the stance, it looked very nice. I like it. You know what I'm saying? And it just gives me hope for the future. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, let me stop stalling. The sun in my eye. I don't know what it is, but it's bothering me. Anyway, this was the caliper that I had to paint on the car, obviously. If you guys remember my old videos, check it out, E28 playlist. And I had to take it off, but you know, taking it out with my leg as leverage, I was able to remove this stripped hose and get it out. Yeah, so that's one down. I'm debating if I should put it back on or just like put the hose fully onto this and then bolt it back up, because you know, obviously I got to put the pads back in there. Have to take this off to get it resurfaced. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna put it back kind of pseudo together, just to keep everything from being all open and exposed, and then when I get ready to really do what I gotta do, I'll remove everything, but that's loosely put back together. So yeah, so that's the first step. I'm gonna do this one. Hopefully the other side will come apart and I get it easier. So I just want to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on. This side is done. That's on there nice and tight. I gotta wipe it down, make sure it doesn't leak. Brake calipers back on kind of loosely. As you can see, it's bolted into the nicely to the caliper. That's done. Gotta realign these holes so I can put the tire back on. Well, I might not just put the tire back on. I might just leave it like this for now. I gotta come back here anyway. So I want to head over to the now I'm on the passenger side. Just looking at these wheels, man. Leave it to the plane and the air compressor to interrupt my clip. Anyway, looking at these wheels, man, looks good. I remember when I was thinking about painting it black. I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, I mean, obviously, I gotta strip them down. Probably get them colored back to silver or metallic, some type of like color like that. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys this is how it looks right here. Before I take off this wheel and get started with this side, look at that angle. Whew, beautiful. This side wasn't too bad. Got it out. This part here is a breeze that's out, so this will be 1, 2, 3. They go my repair, if you guys can remember from the strut video I had. It's holding up, man. But FYI, man, the worst feeling is getting something stuck in your eye, man. It's irritated me and it's bothered the heck out of me. But anyway, I don't care about my crying. Yeah, real quick, I'm pressed for time. But this caliper was the one that was giving me hard times the last time. So as you can see, this piston would not reseat. It seized, it looks kind of corroded. Air compressor. As you guys know, this is semi-budget build. You know what I mean? The funds are not as great as it was back in the day. Anyway, long story short, I'm trying to find out the best way to rebuild these. Obviously, I don't want to have to buy brand new ones. I don't want to have to buy some aftermarket ones. I do see some cheap ones online, but I don't want to buy a cheap non-BMW brand when I can keep these. I know they do sell rebuild kits, but some of them that I do see doesn't come with a piston. It's just with the seals. So, two things. Is it an easier way for me to remove this thing without having it to connect back to the car? Because most likely, I feel the only way to push this piston out is to connect it back to the car. If not, I guess I can try to press it out. I don't know. But I just want to find a way to fix this because it's seized. And I really want to just try to tackle all these brake things. So if any advice would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, this is going to be a rinse and repeat. I'm going to put the other side back on, and once it's done like that, I'm done. So I have to really keep reminding myself not to get too crazy with tightening things, because that's how I snapped the bolt the other day. That's how I popped that spring, trying to remove it, trying to be extra strong. And yeah, anyway, looks good. New hoses are on. Here are the old ones. As you can see, this one is all jacked up, came in, returned back to shape. Tires, as you see, I know there's a sidebar, dry rotted, but just here for now. Anyway, that's it for me for today. I'm not going to go too crazy. Like I said, I got some stuff to do. My wife got some stuff to do. Get ready to head home. Just want to get something done. You know what I mean? I don't like wasting time. I don't want any interruptions. I don't like wasting time, and you know, every bit counts. So I'm happy with the progress that I made today. Like I said, I still got to order the spring for the rear, calipers all around, not calipers, brake pads all around. Still waiting for my axles and rear calipers so I can finish up the brakes in the back there. I'm really getting close to putting the car on the ground, taking it for a little shakedown, spin around the neighborhood, something quick, and then, you know, redoing the fluids. I'm doing another oil change, refill the diff up, and just give it a bath, man. It's just filthy under the car. Looks terrible because all the dust and whatever that got accumulated over time. But anyway, yeah, I don't care about that. I appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you guys. Those of you who've been following me in this journey, those of you who've been giving me advice, those of you who've been giving me encouragement, I really do appreciate you guys. This has been a daunting, long project. You know what I mean? I never thought that this project would take so long, but you know, time, obviously money. Main thing is time, because you know, I didn't really have to buy a lot. You know, I did spend quite a few, you know, bit of bucks to get the car to the state it's in, but these are tools that I acquired, knowledge I acquired, just stress release, as I said prior. But it's been like 4 to 5 years in the making when I had this car, and I only drove it, like I said, once from when I purchased it. But it's getting there, can't complain. Through the grace of God, I'm going to finish this and get it done. Anyway, I want to thank you guys again for watching. And thank you guys again for your support. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's free. I'm not asking for much. I'm just asking for people to, you know, like the videos at least. You know what I'm saying? Sign in, subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscriber count. I'm not trying to blow up off of this, but just, you know, if I can help somebody, great. I mean, I helped a few people already with the videos. I'm happy about that. They also helping me with giving me information and knowledge. It's just a, you know, community of people just helping each other and working to keep these cars on the road and building a knowledge base. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay cool. Have a great weekend. Great week, excuse me. Enjoy, and God bless.